टिकट प्राइसेस नहीं पॉपकॉर्न के प्राइसेस कम हैं। तो जो ऑक्यूपेंसी है सिनेमा घरों में वो अब नहीं, खासकर कोविड के बाद से एकदम कम हुई।
तो फिर उसका लॉजिक बताइए कि ये छावा ने 500 कैसे कर लिया और पुष्पा ने और पुष्पा पहली वाली पुष्पा, सेकंड पुष्पा और एक और कौन सी आई थी बीच में, हाँ जवान, एनिमल, ये कैसा? अगर पिक्चर उनको अच्छी लगी तो वो जाएंगे भाई।
सर उनके नंबर्स कम है, 10 ही है। अगर 100 एक साल में रिलीज हो,
हाँ तो उनको 10 ही पिक्चरें पसंद आई थी। तो क्या होता है कि पहले 10 लोग जाते हैं, आप लोग तो अपना काम कर ही रहे हो, बट वो तो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर जाता है। तो अगर वो फर्स्ट शो देखोगे आप और बाहर निकलोगे, बोला क्या कमाल की पिक्चर है, दाड़ everyone is going to go and watch the film.
लेकिन सर अगर मल्टीप्लेक्स एसोसिएशन या फिर footfalls are lesser compared to like हम आपके हैं, like we earn more amount of money with less footfalls.
Yeah, because the ticket prices are not so high. And the thing is that 3-4 months later your satellite and your OTT is coming, digital is coming.
Which genre of movie you like on OTT?
Huh?
Which genre of movie you like on OTT?
Which what?
Which genre?
Of
Which movie you like
of
on
what?
OTT platforms?
Of OTT platform. I mean, now this is one. I just saw it. Some clippings of that. I'm going to see it. Khaki has come right now. I've seen the earlier Khaki. Yeah, Bengal.
Promoting Sikandar, do you find the security detail cramping your style?
No, it's not when I'm with the press. It's when I'm without the press. This cramps my style.
But Salman,
No, obviously not.
But Salman
Cannot do anything.
Salman,
Khalas. Galaxy shoot Galaxy. No detours.
भाई क्या इसको कह सकते हैं आप कि आपने आर्ट ऑफ दी अटैचमेंट जो है उसमें माहिर में जीत लिया है कि एक बार फिल्म कर ली उसके बाद जो प्रेशर है खुद पे नहीं लेते, जो ट्रस्ट है ऑडियंस और ऊपर वाले पे उस पे छोड़ देते।
बस उसी पे छोड़ता हूँ स्ट्रेट आउट कि जितनी मेहनत करनी थी कर ली। अब यहाँ पर भी मेहनत कर ही रहे हैं ताकि आप लोग ये वर्ड आगे पहुँचा है। अब हो गया, इससे आगे करें क्या। अब वो अगर कुछ लोग ऐसे बाहर जाके वो फिर वो अगर घर जाके किसी को
Salman,
देखिएगा आप
but
होगा
in some
नहीं,
cases,
वो तो होगा
in
नहीं।
some cases of big movies, especially the ticket prices are so huge that I mean, it often becomes a
I
talking point.
totally agree with you. They should not be so huge at all. They should be.
You think there should be a cap on these things?
And I'll tell you, in the film that we did, the film called Jai Ho. Okay. Now Jai Ho में हमने क्या किया, वो जो normal ticket prices थे 650 rupees, we got our ticket prices down to 200 rupees. To 200 rupees, and we did a business of 138 crores. But everyone said the film is a disaster. We got the ticket prices to 200. And what the thing was कि अगर 200 मारना है तो फिर 200 रुपए की टिकट पे मार के दिखाओ। वो 200 भी नहीं गए और so but now this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, people who have the money and they want to go and see the film, they spend that money to go and see the film. I just think that seriously I agree with you and that is my thought and I've done it already. But उसका कोई लाभ ही नहीं हुआ। ना हमको हुआ ना किसी को हुआ।
But the code, yeah. The code. Yes, they put a cap in.
You cannot have more than that. So like you said, there are advantages and disadvantages. People who want to have an exclusive experience, want to be served food, want to have that experience, they can't have. And also it affects the theatres which are providing those kind of.
Yeah, because the rents, because every theatre is in a mall, the rent ही इतना, you can't even blame them. Their canteen, their rent, their electricity bills, their people working for them, it is a very huge investment.
Salman, are you doing that same thing with
Yeah.
चलो thank you guys.
Are you doing the same thing with Salman? Have you capped your ticket prices?
No भाई नहीं जो normal ticket price चलती है वो किया है।
We had done an interview.
What about you?
What?
Amir found love. What about you?
Amir found love. Amir
The
found
other two Khans have
Gauri.
got Gauri in their life. Where's your
Salman. Salman, what is
गौरी के अलावा बहुत सारे नाम हैं. मीना भी है, भारती भी है. हाँ.
इसके साथ रैप कर फोटो कर लेते हैं. What is happening with the Atlee movie? I mean, that was one project.
That's delayed. That's delayed.
But it's happening in Kamal sir and Ranjit sir.
No, I don't know.
Kamal sir and Ranjit sir.
I don't know.
But it's not started.
More than is happening than anyone. I think the budget is the issue for that film. He's written a very big, large budgeted film.
Sir, you know Mohanlal sir in an interview recently said that हम लोग अभी pan India films बोलते हैं.
Yes.
But technically not many people are doing pan India films where everybody from different films like regional films and industries come together. If a Pushpa is made, again it's a Telugu film which is released on a nationwide, or a Hindi film is being made. There are films that you are also planning as a producer and all.
See, the thing is that the money they also charge, no? They also charge, and we also charge right now to make a film like this. Is a very big responsibility, and you need to have a script like that. So right now we're not writing, but I mean, for example, now they're doing Ramayana. So now they're doing all that, because in a film like that they can cast everyone.
But as a producer, you want to do something.
Of course, I am the one who's worked with all South technicians. I worked with directors. I worked with actors, actresses. I worked with South most of the time. But when my film released there, it will not get the numbers because their fan following is very strong. I'll walk on the street and they will say bye, 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 bye. They will say Salman or they will that. But to go into the theatre like how we've accepted them here, there are people, that's not happened there. The way we go and their films do well here because we go and see their films. Rajni Garu film, Ruchiri Garu film, Surya's film or Kenny's film or, Charan's films, Tarak's films. So we go to see them here. But their fans do not go and see them.
But what
which is why
that is when the collaboration is important, like the one
Yeah,
with
like Shah Rukh
Atlee.
sir and Allu sir might
Yeah,
do
I mean
one
the
film,
one
and then there was a film that you are doing with Atlee also,
Yeah.
So
which has
do
a
you
South
think that
super.
But I think, but see like that, no? But again, the budgets go so high that it is very difficult to cover it in the amount of theatres that we have. So if we had like 20,000-30,000 theatres, then we would have killed Hollywood. वहाँ से जिस दिन हमारे 25-30,000 थिएटर होंगे ना, वो लोग यहाँ पर आएंगे काम करने के लिए. The Eid that I would like. I just like everyone to be chilled and happy.
Salman?
Myself. I already got.
Salman.
Yeah. My sisters and my mom presented me with this.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is the Ram Mandir watch, the Jacob and Co. This is that.
You put it one.
बहुत मेहनत की है
जी हाँ
दिख रहा है
जी
तो बोलते हैं ना साज की तो सबने सुनी लेकिन साज पे क्या गुजरी किसी को नहीं पता तो आपने इसके लिए जो इतनी मेहनत की है और
अब जब देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि इसमें बहुत ही मेहनत हुई है जी
I mean, this one is the Sikandar and the projects that you've done before. Those have also demanded the action.
No, so now the other one is going to come that I'm going to do after this one. It is next level action. And rustic means like rustic.
With whom?
I have my brother. There's an older brother as well. I have.
सर जी कैटरीना के साथ कोई
No. No. There's my older brother in the industry, na?
What about Suraj Pacha's film?
सलमान budget control करना मुश्किल होता है. Also said that star salaries also.
No, because you cross Thane, it's day shift. You cross Vashi, it's day shift. Every like if a skilled worker is coming to your house and charging you 500 rupees for a whole day's work, he's charging us 4,000 rupees. So how are we going to manage that?
बल्कि हम लोगों के लिए
हमारे यहाँ इंडस्ट्री के अलावा आप अपने फैंस के लिए भी बहुत कीमती है।
जी जी।
लेकिन आपके जो जितने भी आपके सिक्योरिटी है वो थोड़ी सी बड़ी है, लेकिन वो लोग उतने ही स्वीट है।
हाँ।
तो क्या आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि थोड़ा उसमें
बस
strict
नहीं,
होना
क्योंकि आप
चाहिए?
लोग स्वीट है, काश
नहीं strict
काश
होना चाहिए।
काश ऐसे लोगों के साथ स्वीट ना हो जिनके साथ होना चाहिए। लॉन्ग टाइम अगो हमारे पास एक कुत्ता था, वेरी स्वीट माई सन। हाँ, चोर आया, उसने कुत्ते को पेट करके चोरी करके लेके चला गया। My takeaway, I think this film will do quite well.
And when you land up in Mumbai, you land up in Dharamik.
You're absolutely right.
Salman,
Absolutely right. Basically इस प्लॉट का इसका ये है कि किंग कहीं का भी हो वो किंग होता है। वो गुजरात का किंग, राजकोट का किंग हो, यहाँ पर अकेले आता है। He wins all the hearts here, and the Mumbai ka audiences, public, they support him here. Basically, mota ये है, a good man from A state, B state, C state, from any position, any ranking, will be a good man anywhere in the world.
Okay, now can you please tell us who is the director of Sanjay Dutt? Who is the director of that movie? Who is the director and producer of that?
अभी तो कोई फाइनल नहीं। He's starting something after that. हाँ? King? अभी तो एक है ना, अभी शाहरुख।
सर आप क्या बोले
शाहरुख सर के साथ से legit movie।
हाँ? अभी शाहरुख also people are started calling him भाई।
These days we're censoring so much content. Do you think as audience we're slowly becoming more intolerant?
No, what?
So we've been censoring content a lot. कुछ भी होता है उस चीज को हल्ला हो जाता है, छोटी छोटी चीजों को लेके ऑडियंस बहुत ड्रामा करते हैं। Do you think we're becoming a little intolerant towards content?
No, depending what kind of content you're talking about. The
We're
content,
talking movies.
ये
Movies.
no movies में तो हमारा ऐसा कोई content होता नहीं है। हमारा 2 पंच या थोड़ा सा एक खून ज़्यादा निकल आता है तो हमको ए सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाता है, हमको बोलो ये काटो। OTT पर नज़र रखो मैडम आप। आपके बच्चे हैं? नहीं है? आपके तो होंगे।
चलो, थैंक यू।
15 साल का लड़का देख ले 15 साल का लड़का देख ले कंटेंट वो ठीक है, 15 साल की लड़की वो कंटेंट देखे तो क्या बोलोगे आप?
जॉर्डी स्किलिंग
सर यहाँ